guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through what I am bringing on a cruise for 7 nights plus 1 day beforehand in New York City for 2 adults and 1 one-year-old. Now, at the time of filming this video, I am already back from the cruise. I got back last night, and I will be doing a video on what I regret bringing and what I wish I had brought instead, and lessons I learned along the way for both packing and cruising with a baby. And I also have filmed some stuff this morning about how I get back to normal and get back in a routine after vacation. So if you want to see those kind of videos, please hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out, and there's a little bell notification that you can hit so that you're notified when new videos come up. So back to today's video, I'm gonna be showing you our suitcase situation, how many bags we brought, and what is in every single one of them. Now, my husband and I have cruised a whole bunch of times, but we never have with a baby. The last cruise I went on, I was pregnant, and yeah, it wasn't too different than cruising without being pregnant and without kids. So this one was a little different. We didn't really know what to expect. And for the most part, we just wanted to be safe instead of sorry. So we brought a lot of certain things with us, which you'll see. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it and see what I am bringing on a 7-night cruise plus 1 day beforehand with a 1-year-old. So we managed to fit everything into one checked bag, a carry-on, which we'll deal with that, and one more carry-on, and then a backpack. So my husband will have a carry-on and a personal item. I will have a carry-on, and my personal item will be my diaper bag, which all this is going in the diaper bag, and then we'll have one checked bag. So we are actually doing really well because we're also gonna be having an umbrella stroller and a car seat with us. So it's a lot to carry already, and I will go ahead and say if you have more than one kid, this arrangement might not work for you. You may need more bags. Also, this checked bag is enormous. So, and it even has a little zipper there so I can expand it and make it even taller if I needed to. But let's go ahead and show you just an overview. These are some extra clothes that we may fit if we need, but honestly, I think we already have too much stuff. My husband can probably fit all of his stuff in just this carry-on and backpack, which sounds kind of crazy, but 1, we don't have formal nights on this cruise, and 2, we have a lot of experience traveling for several weeks at a time with different climates, all with these bags. And I actually did a YouTube video on these carry-on bags that I love so much. So starting with my diaper bag, obviously we're going to have diapers, but the other things in here, I've got some bubbles that could be fun no matter where we are. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging though, so they fit a little better. I've got a few toys. This is it's called My First Crayola. I'll link it below. It has a place to hold crayons, and you can write on the back, but I'm not gonna bring the crayons. I think he'll try to eat them. A spare onesie if he needs it. Some disposable bibs, which, I mean, I wanna bring real bibs, and I have a couple real bibs, but he won't wear them. So we're bringing disposable ones because for some reason he keeps them on better. I have this pair of sunglasses. I think he's gonna play with this more than anything else because they're actually really big on him. We ordered some on Amazon, so hopefully those will work out, but they're not here yet. Some snacks, a cup. I have one in the checked bag, and then this one I'm bringing on the plane just because it can keep it cold. So this is a first aid kit. We have some hand wipes. These are my liquids, and I like to keep those in my diaper bag because it's the most easily accessible spot for me. So that way when I'm going through security, I can pull these out easily without opening up like this suitcase. There's some more snacks both for him and me, some sanitizing wipes for wiping down the plane, another toy, and a couple pouches. As big as this bag is, here's my hand for scale. This is mostly filled with things that are not clothes. It's mostly diapers and medicine for any foreseeable situation. So I'm gonna show you what's in the bags. So I'll start with the carry-on, and you can see that I don't have everything folded exactly the way it's going to go. But what's happening here, I have some workout clothes, an extra pair of shorts for me. This is a crib sheet for my son, a swimsuit for me, and that is if we get to our room and we want to go to the pool or something and we don't have our luggage in the room yet. I have a nicer pair of flip-flops because I'm not sure that I'm even going to bring heels. I was going to bring these heels right here, But honestly, there is no formal night on this ship, so I may just switch between flip-flops, sneakers when I'm working out, and these sandals. I have a pair of pajamas and a swaddle at the top of my bag, and that is because once we get to our hotel, we will hopefully be putting our son down for a nap, so I want to make sure it's accessible at the top, and his sound machine will be next to this too when everything is said and done. I just can't pack it yet because we leave in the morning. So we have pajamas and swaddle, just a spare outfit, a book, a bunch of diapers. There's one here, a couple nighttime ones over here. We have some more over here. And I have a spare outfit for him. Actually, another about 2 or so spare outfits for him. That's because when we are spending the night in New York first, I'll have something for him to wear the next day and just an extra one too. And that's if this bag gets lost. The other bag had workout shorts. These are the workout tops. And I'm only bringing a few, just like 3 workout tops for a week because we're gonna do laundry in the room. So I have some vitamins and supplements, Henry's toothbrush, some antibacterial wipes, jewelry, extra hand sanitizer, an empty sippy cup. This is a travel drying rack. I'll open this up for you just because we are gonna be washing the sippies and stuff in the room. Well, that was harder one-handed than I thought it would be, but that's what it looks like. We took it on another trip once and it was fine. This is my makeup, and I'm just gonna open this and show you. I have had this case forever. It is dirty, but it holds brushes, and I have some travel size brushes, and then all my makeup is in here. This is a big thing of snacks, and I have some mixed nuts and some protein powder. This is a travel size Tangle Teezer. So it's like a wet dry brush, and I just use it as my hairbrush for the entire trip. I still have to put my flat iron in here, and then I just have a reusable bag. And then I have a couple outfits for me. I have an outfit to wear to dinner the first night on the cruise, just in case my luggage were lost or delayed. And then I have something to wear the next day after we arrive. So I'll be wearing that when I board the ship. And this all doesn't look like it fits very well, and that's because I still have to fold things instead of stacking them all like this. So that's the carry-on bag, and now for the checked bag. So starting with the checked bag, I have a bunch of different medicines. This bag has Bonine and Dramamine. Those are both motion sickness medicines, and cough drops. I also had these little chews right here. They're called Preggy Pops, and I'm not pregnant, but when I used these for like the 1 week that I had kind of some morning sickness, kind of sort of. So I think they may be helpful if any of us feel queasy. And here I have the kid medicine. I have some boogie wipes, some syringes, infant Tylenol, infant Dramamine, a snot sucker, Tide stick, and some D drops. And this is just a little shampoo and body wash that I got at the Target travel section. Some saline drops, a thermometer, some gripe water. So I have all that, and that's also because if you do find medicine on a cruise ship, it's not guaranteed you're going to find what you're looking for, but it is probably guaranteed that it will be more expensive than usual, and they might not have kid-specific medicine. And if you do need to find kid-specific medicine, you're going to have to do it on your port, like when you get off the ship, and you don't want to spend your vacation trying to hunt down infant Tylenol or something like that in a foreign country or really anywhere. This, not medicine, but this is just stuff like laundry, sunscreen. I have sunscreen for us, I have sunscreen for him. And once we get there, I'll switch the sunscreen into my diaper bag. I have a hand soap, and I don't know why I never thought to bring this on a cruise before, but you only get like a little bar hand soap on the cruise in the bathroom, so I think having the hand soap will be good. These are little laundry strips. So picture like a Listerine strip, but for laundry. So you can see how small it is. And it has like 50 little strips in it. So we're gonna wash things in the sink, rinse them in the shower. I do have a thing of hand sanitizer, and I always bring this with me on cruise ships. I always have a pump of hand sanitizer. And then all these little things are like little Shout stain wipes. This bag is all snacks. So all of these pouches, we have a breakfast one for every day, a vegetable and fruit one for every day, and like a meat one for every day, and plus a few extra. So we have a little more than one of each of those per day. And you know, there's no guarantee that we're going to use them all, but I would rather be safe than sorry. Sometimes he just does not want anything besides a pouch. And I also have some peppermint tea packets, some Pedialyte packets, And these are called Natural Calm. They're a magnesium supplement, and I think they taste delicious. So I'm bringing those as well. Underneath is Henry's clothes. So this is, besides what it was in my carry-on, this is all he has. So t-shirts, some nicer shirts, polos, shorts, a few button downs, some nice pants. That all fits in one of these containers that's only that big. So that's a lot to fit in there. I have a dress back here that really should have been in a packing cube, but I added it last minute. And I'm really excited about these. These are from the Dollar Tree, and they are collapsible storage containers that you can put on the counters and just keep things a little more organized in the room. A few toys here and there. This is a book that can get wet. The rest of Henry's pajamas and one more swaddle. I'm only bringing about 3 pairs of pajamas total. No, 4. I have a short sleeve one just in case it's hot. But we are going to be doing laundry, so I don't need to bring something for every single day. But that said, he does have more than probably 7 shirts because he rips off bibs so much. I'd rather have more shirts than necessary just because I don't know how often I'm going to have to change him. Over here, I have a whole pack of swim diapers. And then this is all of my clothes basically, except for some swimsuits over here, the gym clothes that are in my bag, and like 2 cover-ups. This bag has shorts, t-shirts, and dresses in it. I just roll everything very tight. I have a hat. This is just a little brim hat from Target, and it collapses very well. These are makeup wipes, and they had a container that was like this big of them, so I just took about 7 or 8 out and put them in here. They should still be wet when I use them. I have an entire thing of wipes and more diapers. So from here all the way down here is all diapers. So you can see out of this bag, really only just right here, that's my stuff. Henry has a small pack right here, and the rest is just medicine, food, and diapers. Now back here, this is mostly food as well. We have some wafers, and then a few toys. So my niece's birthday is on the ship, so I have a card back here. These are towel clips. So they're basically just glorified giant clothespins. And because we're doing laundry in the room, I thought they would be good, but also if we're out and we need to hold our towel down to a chair or something. But the more I'm thinking about it, I should just bring clothespins. They take up less space. You can see that these are kind of wide. And really, I'm trying to think of any time that I've needed a towel clip, and I haven't really needed them. Maybe they'll come in handy at home during the summer by the pool, but for this trip, I don't know. I might just use clothespins instead. I have a beach ball that I can just inflate when I'm there. This is a marker board, has a little marker included in there, and it's magnetic, so it will stick to the wall. A ton of magnets are behind here to keep things organized in the room. And Henry took this out of my bag, but I have a little magnetic notepad in here, and this is because we travel with a large group. There's about 40 relatives who go on this ship together, and it's nice to be able to put notes on other people's doors. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful to you if you are cruising soon with kids and are wondering what to pack. And make sure that you hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out to see what I regret bringing out of everything you just saw and what I wish I had brought instead. Please comment below if you have any video suggestions or any questions about what I brought or where to get it. I'll try to link everything I can below, but if something's not there, please feel free to ask me. And if you have any tips on cruising with kids, no matter what their age, please leave them in the comments because I'm sure people are watching and wanting to know your answers as well. See you in the next video. Bye.